Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a folding hack. In today's video I want to show you two great techniques to save your sweaters from those creases created by folding the sweater and from those shoulder bumps created by hanging the sweater the ordinary way, as well as making your closet look nice and organized. Spread your sweater on a flat surface face up. Put one side over the other like this and flatten it out. Take a hanger and place it like this with the top part in the armpit. Then flip over it the arms and then the body of the sweater. Voila! So simple and fast. There will be no more creases, shoulder bumps and disorganized closet. You even save space with this method. These methods I'm showing you are great not only for sweaters, but also for all kinds of long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts and cardigans. The second method. Spread your sweater on a flat surface face up. Pull the arms in an X. Take a hanger and with the top of the hanger down, slide the sweater like this right to the middle, then flip the half over. That's it! This is a very compact way to hang your sweaters and it looks very neat. Please let me know in the comments below which technique you like more. Now I will show you a quick hack to help you in your busy mornings. This way you can choose and prepare your outfit the night before for a stress-free morning. Just slide under your sweatshirt the pair of pants you want to wear the next day and that's it. An easy outfit planning. You can even plan like this your entire week or your kids' outfits. Saves time picking out an outfit for the day. This is how they look into the closet. I made a video on multiple ways to fold a towel like a hotel or a spa, so if you are interested, I will link it at the end of this video. I also made a video on 3 easy and quick ways to fold a towel. I will also link it at the end. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!